Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to change your name on Domino's Pizza app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your name on Domino's Pizza app. We'll start by opening up your Domino's app. Once you open up your Domino's app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive here, look in the upper left-hand corner. We're going to see the three horizontal lines or the three white lines on the upper left-hand corner. Tap on that. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive here, make sure you tap where it says Welcome to Domino's. You're going to say your name and you're going to say Welcome to Domino's. So make sure you tap on that. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive here, make sure you tap where it says Personal Information. Tap on Personal Information right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Then now you can change your name. As you see, first name and last name right there. So make sure you put correct name or you don't get in trouble. Once you finish putting your name, look on the upper right hand corner where it says save. So make sure to tap on save right there on the upper right hand corner. Tap on save. Then your name gonna change. And that's how you change your name on Domino's Pizza app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.